Mr. Presiding Officer. For the witness. Sir, nung May 13, you're recorded as saying, katunayan, nakiusap nga po ako kay John Consulta na puntahan kami dito sa Sequoia Hotel dahil meron po kaming planning mula po pa kaninang umaga. And you went on to say nandun ka with all the deputy directors, etc. Do you confirm?
Well, nakausap ko po si John Consulta.
No, just confirm, sir. Did you say
Yes,
that
I
na
talked
nandun
to-
kayo sa Sequoia? Hindi, yun lang. Yung statement na
Haba
yun.
po kasi yung statement niyo.
I just
pasensya
need
na.
you to confirm, did you say that you were in Sequoia?
Yes, I talked to
Thank you.
to
So
John
you are
Consulta.
confirming? Okay.
Yes po.
And then later on, dinagdag nyo, wala kami sa Senado, we are on stand down because that's the instructions. Did you also say that?
Yes po.
Thank you. Meanwhile, in another interview, you then said, mayroon request si GM Veloso to help them secure the area kasi napapansin nila na magulo, labas-pasok. Nagpadala kaming ilan lang na ahente, parang 4 to 6 na tao, na nag-iikot sa premises ng GIS. Hindi pumasok sa Senado. I am quoting Inquirer dated 13 May 2026. Did you say this?
Yes, sa GSIS po.
Okay, thank you. So, I asked now for the kind indulgence. May papa-flash lang ako. It's just a photo, dear colleagues, both parties. Paki-flash lang. So, sabi nyo nasa GSIS. You confirm na nasa GSIS yung
Tama
mga
po.
ahente mo. Pwede magpa-update sa technical what's going on. It's just a photo. Ito, I'm just showing the Senate website for the record. Senate website. Tapos po, nandito po sa right corner. Can you read it, sir? It says contact information. Can you read it?
Hindi ko po
Okay,
mabasa.
paabot ko sa page yung same thing. It is just the Senate website. Page, pakiabot. Thank you. Pakibasa lang po yung address ng Senado.
Contact information, GSIS Building, JW Jokno Building, Pasay City, 1300 Metro Manila, 632-8552.
Okay na po yung phone number, no need.
Opo.
So pakiulit, ano hong building?
GSIS Building.
Opo, kasi nag-iisa lang naman ho ang address namin. Umuupa po kami dito sa GSIS. Iisang building lang ho po yun. And for the record, kung saan nakita yung tao mo, likod lang po yun ng office ni Senator Loren Legarda. Nasa video po yun. I will not bother everyone with that. Kung gusto nyo, Presiding Officer, I can, but for now, I won't. Kasama po yun sa area na inuupahan ng Senado sa GSIS. We are paying rent for the information of all. So, yan po ang gusto ko lang ma-establish. It seems kasi po na you swore an oath, no, to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth. Is that correct?
Yes po.
Thank you very much. So, sa kaalaman po ng ating mga nanunood at masigasig na taga-subaybay ng mga kababayan natin, Rule 133 on the weight and sufficiency of evidence. Sabi sa Section 1, preponderance of evidence, in determining where the preponderance or superior weight of evidence on the issues involved lies, the court may consider all the facts and circumstances of the case, the witness's manner of testifying, their intelligence, and also their personal credibility. Furthermore, in Section 11 of Rule 132, a witness may be impeached by evidence that his or her general reputation for truth, honesty, or integrity is bad. So nag-ring na yung bell, I will be loyal, I will follow this na lang. Pero may record pa sana akong papakita. If the body wants, I will show the video na sinabi din po ni NBI Director in interview, wala pong nasaktan, wala pong nangbugbog. But we have a video, alam po ng lahat ng mga kasamahan natin na yung OSAA, yung aming pong personnel, binugbog. May video po tayo niyan. I leave it to the body, I leave it to the presiding officer if we want to take up the time of this court to show that. Yun lang po, maraming salamat.
Thank you, Senator Judge Pia Cayetano. Senator Judge Alan Cayetano is recognized for his interjections and interventions. And if there are no other Senator Judge that will do so, the presiding officer shall make his interjections. Senator Judge Alan Cayetano, may proceed.
Before the questions, just two manifestations. No?
The gentleman may proceed
Yeah.
with his manifestation.
First of all, to the NBI director, he looked at me when I smiled a while ago. I wasn't laughing at you or anyone. Nung sinabi mo lang 6'7" kasi, yung or 7'6", mga pamangking ko, basta't sinabing 6'7", nagtatawanan na.
Naintindihan ko po.
I
Nakita ko
hope
po
you
kayo
weren't.
doon.
Yung iba kasi hindi, baka akala ko anong
I
ibig
understand
sabihin.
po.
And we're on
Yes
TV, so we can be on opposite sides, but we can be very professional, di ba?
Salamat
So,
po.
the second manifestation, Mr. President and Honorable Presiding Officer, you know, much have been said about technicalities, humahaba to, may mga relevant, irrelevant. So I just want the prosecution and defense to know, because we're gonna go on a short break. Short lang naman, SONA sa Monday kontra SONA sa Tuesday, makikita tayo sa Wednesday. Both sides, you're doing a good job. Both sides. I mean, the prosecution, your job is to prosecute, and the defense, your job is to defend. The onus is on us. May tinatawag na defense senator judge, may tinatawag na prosecution senator judge. Wala pa akong impeachment dito na hindi nangyari yan. Di ba? Ang importante, hindi lang yung resulta, but yung proseso. And I always say, democracy is messy. If you want a dictatorship, it's less messy, but it's a dictatorship. May problema. You want a democracy, it's not, di ba? Having said that, I have a lot of questions, but I want to show Senator Raffy Tulfo some good faith, because he always shows me good faith when we're in the lounge. Hindi ko na itatanong today, since I think in the next few weeks, madalas naman kami magkikita ni Director Matibag dahil marami siyang iniimbestigahan na kasama ako doon. So I'll be seeing you, Mr. Director. Thank you, Mr. Presiding Officer.
Thank you, Senator Judge Alan Cayetano. Senator Judge Amy Marcos is recognized for her questions and interjections. You may proceed, ma'am. You have 2 minutes.
Yes, thank you very much to our presiding judge. Kumusta Attorney Mel, Congresswoman Ann, at sa lahat na narito. Itatanong ko lang, kasi sinusundan ko rin yung kwento ninyo, na kahapon sabi ninyo na 100% certain na si VP Sara contracted someone over the alleged plan to kill the president as well as 2 others. Tapos, ito naman, corroborative naman ito, nung sinabi ninyo, nung 29 April yata sa House of Representatives, na sinabi rin ninyo, meron na kaming leads at mukhang talaga yun ang findings. Kaya may grave threat at inciting. Tama ba na sinabi po ninyo to?
Tama po. Meron pong report po.
At alam din natin na nag-file na yung NBI February 2025 na ng inciting to sedition case against BP nung February last year. Ngayon, nagtatanong lang ako, 14 months later, as late as 29 April, the NBI still has not identified yung supposed assassin. Does it mean na at that time na nagpila sila ng kaso ng inciting noong Pebrero na nakaraang taon, the NBI wasn't even sure if there was an actual assassin? Alam ko before your time to, no, Mel? Pero tinatanong ko lang, how can the NBI be sure there was really a contract if they can't even identify the said assassin?
Respectfully po, Your Honor, magkaiba po kasi ang elemento nung yung pong kaso ng grave threat saka inciting based on the investigation report at based po sa findings ng NBI noon, nakumpleto na po yung elemento ng grave threats saka ng inciting to sedition. Hindi naman po kailangang mahanap kung sino po yung kinausap na assassin. That is not an element for the filing of a complaint.
So ang
ng-
sinasabi po ninyo, tama yung pagka-file, pero hindi kompleto yung mga findings dun sa affidavit of investigation dahil yan din ang sinabi ni NBI agent Attorney Longtok na nandito siya at pinahiwatig niya na siya ay lead investigator pero wala siyang personal knowledge of whether there was an actual assassin. So, why is it that 14 months after filing of the cases, the assassin is yet to be named? At ngayon, humihingi pa kayo ng 3 hanggang 6 na buwan para tuklasin kung sino nga yun.
Ganito nga po, yung pong grave threat at inciting to sedition, nandun na po sa DOJ yan. That is the subject of a resolution na dapat gawin ng DOJ. Magkaiba po yan, hiwalay po natin. Ito pong ating investigation dito is an investigation because of the continuing active and serious threat to the President amounting to the effect that yung national security is only being compromised.
Pero
so
hindi
doon po
po
natin
yan.
tinitingnan.
Hindi po yan ang sinabi ninyo eh. Kasi ang sinabi ninyo doon sa House of Representatives, sa Justice Committee, maliwanag, sa amin nyo na meron kaming leads at mukhang ito na talaga ang findings. Kaya nga po nag-file ng kaso ng grave threat at inciting to sedition. Sabi ninyo, yan ang dahilan. That was your statement. Because if you stand by these words na may finding na talaga, at yun ang dahilan kaya nagpila noong February, as early as February, the date that the NBI filed, the NBI already had findings that VP Sara spoke with an assassin. How come kayo ngayon, sinasabi ninyo na wala naman nung panahon na yon? Ganon din ang sinabi ni Attorney Loto. So, hindi ko maintindihan ngayon, talaga bang may assassin na na-identify nung Pebrero o wala?
Wala pong na-identify noong February.
Bakit niyo sinabi
Kasi-
doon sa House of Representatives na yung dahilan na nagpila ng kaso kasi meron na kayong assassin?
That is totally magkaiba po na issue. Again, babalik po ako.
Pareho yung issue kasi yun din ang inaalam ng Justice Committee noon eh. At ang liwaliwanag na sabi niyo, yung dahilan na nakapagpila na sila ay dahil natuklasan na yung assassin.
Wala po akong sinabi doon na natuklasan. I also mentioned at that time that there are persons of interest. Again, we have to go back po na yung inciting to the
Hawak
sedition
ko
and
po yung
grave threat.
transcript kasi.
Okay
Oo.
po, tama naman po yung binabasa
Kaya
niyo.
nga nag-file ng kaso kasi meron na kaming leads.
Well-
ang liwanag ng pagkasabi ninyo eh.
We are referring, may lead na nga po, ibig sabihin, yung pong grave threat, completed na eh. Meron ng threat. In fact, tumatawid na po tayo sa merong kinausap. And we are already talking about doon sa admission ni mismo ni Vice President Sara na meron siyang kinausap na papatay at pumayag yung papatay.
Parang napakaliwanag nung sinabi niyo noon at mas malabo di hamak ngayon. Ngayon, bakit kinailangan pa mag-issue ng AO11 kung talaga namang continuing investigation? Dahil ba ito sa April 12 yung sinasabi niyong Rage Coalition?
Kasama po yan, paulit-ulit ko pong sinasabi na there is a 5 points na tinignan po natin na ginagamit po ng isang secret
Yes, we're
service.
aware of that. The sexual, economic, etc. Alam naman natin yon kasi yan din ang gamit ng US, di ba?
Tama po. Kaya po, merong ongoing investigation. Sinabi ko na yung threat is serious, continuing, and active, na ito po ay tumatawid na rin to the level of national security.
Kung talagang may pattern of violence, doon sa Rage Coalition launching, andun ba si VP Sara?
Wala po.
Ganun pala eh. As a matter of fact, she wasn't even there. Siya ba nagsalita? Siya ba nagsabi nun?
Si Mayor Basti po.
Are you implying na may conspiracy kay VP Sara at Mayor Baste to have the president killed?
Yan po yung aming tinitingnan. Kanina po, tanong ni Senator Ping Lacson, tinitingnan
Tama.
po natin kung mayroong sabwatan po na nangyayari.
May katibayan ba tayo dito sa conspiracy? Dahil matindi ang pinag-aralan nyo bilang abogado. Sapat ba ito para ipakita na may conspiracy dun sa dalawa?
Yun po din yung sagot ko kanina kay Senator Ping Lacson, kaya po hindi pa nakasuhan sapagkat tulad po ng mga kaso na pumapasok at alam po ng mga abogado na conspiracy is sometimes harder to prove than the crime itself. That's why we have to make a case build-up para masiguro po natin ng isasampang kaso
Sa
ay
madaling
lulusot.
sabi, wala pa pong katibayan ng conspiracy.
Yun po yung tinitingnan nga nating anggulo, kaya
Yun nga,
tinitingnan
pero
ng
sa
ebidensya.
ngayon, habang tayo ang naglilitis dito, wala pa.
Kung meron na po, na-file na po namin yan. Kailangan po lumusot ito under Memorandum Circular number 20 of the Department of Justice.
Ngayon,
reasonable certainty of conviction.
alam na